Hi guys, let's try beautiful custard rasmalai with bread. Let's boil 500 ml milk and reduce it to 3/4 in a low flame. Always boil in a thick gauge pan to avoid burning smell in the milk. Add sugar according to your taste. We can also use jaggery powder, but add jaggery once the milk is cool, otherwise the texture will change. Now cut the bread slices in a round shape by using any tumbler or round shaped device. Now add custard powder to get the thick consistency and delicious flavor. Custard milk tastes best when it's chilled. Arrange the bread slices in a pan and pour the custard milk gently. Bread will absorb the milk quickly and hence its shape will change. So don't keep it for a long time. You can just add milk when you want to eat. It will be ready to serve. Decorate the slices with kesar, grated badam and grated pista. If you want, you can add raisins on slices like this for decoration. If you want, you can use 2 slices instead of 1 as shown. Now this delicious custard bread rasmalai is ready to eat. Enjoy.